Barazza presents the 60 icon oven in the exclusive finish. It is a multi-program oven with the knobs and the handle in soft touch. Of course, it has a multilingual programmator. As far as the accessories you can find inside, as a standard, you have a stainless steel easy clean enameled deep tray, then an easy clean enameled normal tray, and then a grill. And it has the telescopic guide, which allows you to easily cook and put the food inside while you are cooking. As far as the door, it has a triple glass, so that when you are cooking, the door doesn't remain hot, so you can touch it easily. And as far as the cleaning is concerned, the glass is easily to be removed, since you just need to unscrew the screw you have at the bottom of the door. Then you remove carefully the glass, and then you can do the cleaning operation. Also, the cavity, which is a 65 liter capacity, is easy to be cleaned since it has the rounded corner and it is in easy clean enamel. Then of course it has the lights and the tangential cooling. The door has the soft closing system, so it closes automatically without any noise. About the frontal panel has the same height as the other ovens of the collection, so you can place them horizontally together with, for example, the 45 range. It is ruled by two knobs, and the panel control is divided in two sides, so if you want to change the part on the left, you should work with the left knob, while if you want to change something which is positioned on the right part of the panel, you should work with the right knob. We start first with the general settings. In the general settings, one important function is the demo one, which should be used while you are placing the oven in the showroom. So the oven, when it is used, does not reach the high temperature, so there are no safety problems. Then, of course, it has the possibility to change the date. It's easy because you just have to select and confirm your decision pressing the bottom place on the bottom of the panel in the right part. And then you change the selection by changing also the knob. The same thing for the time. And then, as I tell at the beginning, it has a different choice of language. And it's easy to select your language. It has the possibility to change the different type of brightness of the screen, and as far as the noise. Then you can select when it is in standby if you want to see the clock and the logo. And this is an important function for people that don't like to eat meat or fishes. So this is really good attention for people who are vegetarian. So if you select this function in the general setting, you won't see any meat, any fish in the automatic cooking. It has an important function, which is the safety function. You can confirm it in the general settings, and it's important when you have children at home, so children cannot touch the oven when it is in function. As far as the automatic cooking is concerned, the oven allows you to have 16 different automatic cooking and 11 manual cooking. As far as the automatic cooking is concerned, you will see that there are some pictures which can easily be recognized. While selecting them, you just have to put the weight on your product. You select it, and it tells you that you need 48 minutes in this case to cook the desired food. As far as the manual cooking is concerned, you just have to select the desired function, and to confirm it, to confirm also the temperature of the process, and it goes. While you are using the manual cooking, you can also change the temperature during the process by just pressing the symbol of temperature, and you can easily modify your regulation. At the end of the manual cooking, it's important to know that you can, of course, stop the cooking, but you can also stop and save the recipe. By stopping and saving the recipe, you have to name it. You decide to give the name and the desired name you want to have. For example, let's do like something, I don't know, which could be cream. And at the end, you confirm it, and the recipe will save. And you will find the saved recipe in the cookbook. You just have to select it. You will find your saved recipe in this side. The Icon 60 oven range has the possibility to have another appliance inside, which is effectively an air sanification called by Barazza Zefiro. You can use Zefiro when the oven is not in function, so when you are not cooking, but it's really silent. So we are using it now and you don't perceive any type of noise. So it's good to use it also during the night. How does this Zefiro work, this system work? The air is conveyed on the bottom part of the oven, comes on the rear part thanks to a series of holes which are placed in the back of the oven, and comes inside the frontal panel where there is an ultraviolet germicidal light which is modifying and destroying all the bacteria that comes in. Once the process is finished, the purified air comes outside in this part, in this hole, so in the middle between the handle and the frontal panel. This is an intelligent system which allows you to have in one appliance two appliances, because you have the possibility to use this as oven or this as a sanification system. Imagine that you are organizing a dinner together with some friends during winter period and you don't want to open the doors, the windows when the dinner is finished. You can activate easily this type of system and basically the air will be purified and clean, so all the bacteria will disappear. It is really silent, and the process is able to purify 8 meter cubes per hour, and the consumption is really low because you just need 0.2 kilowatt per hour.